Hey, this is the Hyatt Place.
Is this Disney hotel a disaster?
Sorry, Hyatt Place. It's just the truth. You need it for your own good. Stayed at 36. Let's watch the review. Both bathrooms were disgusting. I'm not going to show you what they look like. The bus stop that's out here where people hang out and sleep right there. And yeah, the biggest thing is the AC unit. So I'm going to show you that. Yes, like Orlando.
I hide my face because I don't want the hotels to know who I am. I don't want any favors. I want to get the same room you're going to get. I work for you. Okay, so this is driving up, coming in, everything seems okay, good, looks nice inside. There was no real signs of it being a bad hotel at this point. It looks good in the lobby. It's got good theming on the elevator doors. The hallway was fine. But then I walked inside, and that's when things started to go down from here. It's got a small college-like dorm refrigerator. This is just kind of weird the way these two drywall juts out into the room. Why didn't they just put the TV in between there too? Things like this, it's just scuffed up and it's not finished. Behind the toilet, it's just rough. You got scuffs on the wall. Things like that, you know, the old shower bar got moved. And the frayed carpet. Okay, that's just so unnecessary. And the scars on the wall. And these doors were, I don't know what they were made of. These closet doors, they were just weird. And of course they're scuffed up. The wall here's marred. The mirror, the edges is peeling, or it's got rust behind it. I don't know. The doors banged up. The TV was okay. And the air conditioning.
Look, the air conditioner is loud, it's big, and it just keeps coming on. I don't make videos from bed for the channel, but
I mean, I'm a heavy sleeper, and it was just a jet engine. It woke me up all night. The Wi-Fi was weak. It didn't really have that many outlets, none on the sides of the beds. You can't fault them for the sofa bed. No hotel's got a good sofa bed. The mattresses are too thin. And then coming out into the hallway here, this trash just coming out of this door. It just makes no sense. And then going into the elevator, of course it's banged up. The weight room was had two small rooms in it. There was no universal machine, no machines. You see what it is. The pool was okay, it was average. It was kind of a weird layout, but the tiles didn't have grout in between them, so it was kind of uneven and wasn't a really huge deck. The breakfast tasted fine. It was presented in these pots, kind of weird. And I really didn't like the styrofoam plates and the plastic forks and spoons. Seemed cheap. Of course, the laundry room was out of order. And they have 4 machines, but none of them work.
I just used the downstairs restroom, and there's no toilet paper in there. Both bathrooms were disgusting. I'm not going to show you what they look like. Hey, this is the Hyatt Place. One of the 4 places I'm not going to return to. I stayed at 36, and I'm sorry, Hyatt Place. It's just the truth. You need it for your own good.
Hey, stop guessing. Don't book the wrong hotel. ddadbudget.com.